Hi, welcome to our channel. Let us make spicy sardine curry today. To make sardine curry, we need sardine, ginger and garlic julienne, curry leaves, turmeric powder, Kashmiri chilli powder, fenugreek seeds, salt, coconut oil, 5 Cambogia soaked in 3/4 cup of water. Add 5½ tablespoon of coconut oil into a pot. Once the oil is hot, add 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds and mix. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger and 1½ tablespoon of garlic and mix. Add curry leaves and mix. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix. Now add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 4 tablespoons of Kashmiri chilli powder and mix it well. Add soaked Cambogia along with the water and mix. Add 1/4 cup of water and mix. Close and let it cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add cleaned sardines and stir like this. Close and cook on a medium heat for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, mix it well like this. Fish will be cooked well by this time. Add 1/2 tablespoon of coconut oil and curry leaves. Close and take it off from the stove. Spicy sardine curry is ready to serve. Hope you liked this recipe. Please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.